In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in FigJam. FigJam is Figma's collaborative whiteboard, perfect for brainstorming, planning, and workshops. To bring your team into a board, we'll walk through a simple sharing flow so everyone has the right access from the start. First, open your FigJam board and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access the board and what they're allowed to do. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far. The button lives in the header and can tuck behind overflow if your window is very narrow. Next, type the email of the person you want to invite into the field labeled for inviting by email. Take a moment to double-check spelling. Small typos can prevent invites from reaching the right person. If your organization is connected to Figma, you may see name suggestions as you type. Selecting the correct person helps ensure you're inviting the right teammate. You can add multiple people the same way, one after another, so everyone who needs access is included. Before sending the invite, choose the appropriate permission level. By default, it may be set to Can View. If you want collaborators to actively participate, adding sticky notes, drawing, editing shapes, or reorganizing frames, switch it to Can Edit. Can View is great for stakeholders who only need to follow along or review without changing anything. Think about the session's goal. Workshops and working sessions usually call for Can Edit, while reviews or sign-offs often work best with Can View. Remember, you can adjust these permissions later if needs change, so don't worry if you're unsure. Start conservative and open up access when you're ready. When everything looks good, click Invite. FigJam will send the invitations and grant access based on the permission you selected. Your collaborators will be able to join directly from their notification or email and jump into the board with the capabilities you defined. If you have more people to add, you can keep the panel open and continue inviting, or close it and return to your board. That's the full flow. Open the Share panel, enter the email, set the permission to match the task, and send the invite. Taking a few extra seconds to pick the right access saves time later and keeps your board organized and secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother, more productive collaboration in FigJam.